Hey everyone, if you want to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails, social media covers, or promotional graphics without advanced design skills, Photoroom makes the process fast and easy. In this video, I'll show you how to create thumbnails in Photoroom from start to finish in 2026. First, open the Photoroom app or visit the Photoroom website and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create a free account and access the editor. Once you're logged in, start a new project and choose a custom canvas size or a thumbnail template if one is available. For YouTube, use the recommended thumbnail dimensions for the best results. Next, upload the main image you want to use. This could be a photo of yourself, a product image, a screenshot, or any visual that represents your content. After uploading the image, use Photoroom's AI background removal tool if you want to separate the subject from the background. This helps create cleaner and more professional thumbnail designs. And that's how to create thumbnails in Photoroom in 2026. With AI-powered editing tools and easy-to-use design features, you can create professional thumbnails in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.